go anywhere.
Recording.
Oh my God. His tire's bent to the side.
That's a nice Lincoln too. It's like brand
They
new.
must have hit him on the side because
The other
nothing's
car's
in the
up at
front.
the other car's up here at the light.
yeah, that's
So-
what I thought.
When he was probably taking a right, I mean a left up here, the car must have hit him.
But here, how did he make it all the way over here?
That's probably why it was. He probably didn't realize it snapped his tire rod probably
Wow.
until he got up here and
I
it
told you I
snapped.
saw a cop's car over here too.
Yeah, and there's another car in front of the cop's car.
Yeah,
Oh,
over here.
look at his front end. It's like on the ground.
He's got a suit and everything and glasses.
Wow. This is the other vehicle.
They got the fire truck on the other side. Yeah, everybody's coming.